Have you ever found yourself reading something scientific and feeling a little lost because of all the unfamiliar terms? When it comes to the GED Science test, having a solid grasp of science vocabulary is not just helpful, it is absolutely essential for your success. The General Educational Development Test, or GED, requires you to understand the language of science to fully comprehend passages and questions. Think of science vocabulary as the key that unlocks the door to understanding complex concepts. Without knowing terms like photosynthesis, natural selection, or atomic structure, scientific passages can seem like a foreign language. Each word is a building block defining specific processes, components, or relationships within the natural world. On the GED Science test, you will encounter a wide array of topics from life science, physical science, and earth and space science. Each of these fields comes with its own specialized lexicon. For example, in biology, terms such as cells, organelles, and ecosystems are fundamental. In chemistry, you will need to understand atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions. Physics questions might involve words like force, motion, and energy. Understanding these terms is not about simple memorization. It is about connecting them to the underlying scientific principles they representing. This deeper understanding allows you to interpret experimental results, analyze graphs, and draw logical conclusions, which are all critical skills tested on the GED. So, how can you build this crucial vocabulary? Start by making dedicated flashcards or a vocabulary journal for new terms you encounter. Actively read scientific articles and practice questions, trying to define unfamiliar words using context clues before looking them up. Do not just memorize definitions, try to explain the concepts in your own words. Regularly review these terms to reinforce your memory and ensure you can recall them quickly and accurately under test conditions. Think about how the terms relate to each other. Developing a strong science vocabulary does more than just help you pass the test. It fosters scientific literacy. This means you can better understand news reports about health and the environment, evaluate scientific claims, and engage with scientific advancements throughout your life. Many scientific terms, particularly those rooted in Latin or Greek, share common prefixes, suffixes, or roots, which can help you decipher new words even if you have not seen them before. This insider knowledge helps you break down complex terms into understandable parts. For example, knowing that bio means life helps with biology, biome, and biodegradable. Ultimately, a robust science vocabulary will significantly boost your confidence and efficiency on the GED Science test. It allows you to process information more quickly, reduce confusion, and allocate your valuable test time to more challenging analysis rather than struggling with basic word meanings. By investing in your science vocabulary, you are not just preparing for an exam. You are building a powerful foundation for lifelong learning and informed decision-making in a world increasingly shaped by science.